For best results, follow these recommended steps before starting the application process. Shape the nail with a 180 grit file. Remove the cuticle from the nail plate with a cuticle pusher. If the client has overgrown cuticles, use cuticle eliminator. Remove the shine from the nail plate using a 240 grit white buffing block and remove dust with the nail wipe. Be sure not to touch the nail with your finger. Apply a thin coat of IBD Power Bond and let dry prior to JustGel Polish base coat application. Remove the applicator brush from the bottle and wipe it against the bottle's neck to remove excess product from the brush. Apply a thin layer of IBD JustGel Polish base coat to 4 fingers. Cap the tip edge to ensure long wear. Thumbs should be done separately to ensure proper curing. Cure all 4 fingers together for 30 seconds in an LED lamp or 1 minute in a UV lamp. Then repeat the process on the other hand. Following completion of the previous 8 nails, repeat the process on the thumbs. Before applying color, roll the bottle between your hands to blend. As before, wipe excess product from the brush. Apply 1 very thin coat of IBD JustGel polish to each nail surface and edge. Apply gel polish to the center of the nail from cuticle to tip, making sure to keep polish off the cuticle. If polish has touched the cuticle, remove prior to curing the nail. Use alcohol and an orange wood stick. Be sure to encase the tip edge to ensure long wear. Cure all 4 nails for 30 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Repeat the process on the other hand. To complete the color application, polish a second thin coat of gel polish on nails using the same process. Finish with your thumb application and remember to press them flat to the base of the lamp to ensure even curing. As before, wipe excess product from the brush. Apply 1 very thin coat of IBD JustGel polish top coat to each nail surface and edge. Remember to start from the center and avoid the cuticle line. If top coat has touched the cuticle, remove prior to curing the nail. Use alcohol and an orange wood stick. Encase the tip edge to ensure long wear. Cure all 4 nails for 30 seconds in a LED lamp or for 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Repeat the process on the other hand and finish with your thumb application. To cleanse, saturate a nail wipe with alcohol. With light pressure, wipe away the top gel film, also known as the sticky inhibition layer. Use a clean, saturated nail wipe for each finger and repeat. Be careful not to re-wipe the nail with the used portion of the lint-free pad, as it will redistribute the film, causing dulling to the top coat. Using the steps shown, you can have a beautiful JustGel polish manicure that will last for weeks. With a nail file, break the seal of the gel nail, then saturate a nail wipe with acetone and place on top of the nail bed. Apply and secure foil under the finger and over the top, making sure to cover the nail plate and secure. Leave the remover wrap on the finger for 10 minutes. Securely grip each finger and apply slight pressure to the fingernail. Twist and pull the nail wipe and product from the fingernail. If a significant amount of polish remains on the nail, due to extended wear or other unique situations, rewrap the nail and allow acetone to penetrate a few more minutes. If necessary, gently glide off any remaining product with a cuticle pusher. Be careful not to scrape away the surface layers of the natural nail plate. When applied and removed properly, no damage is done to the natural nails. JustGel polish protects nails and promotes growth.